Good day, sir. My name is DJ El Naong, and I'm going to discuss or code the topic today, the method. So, by the way, what is method? So, a method is a block of code which is only runs when it is called. So, what siya? Method siya na block code na gina-perform na to sa specific task na or gina-invoke siya sa Java o part siya sa program. So, they are also called na sa method na nag-certain siyang action na they are also called na function. So, mo na siya ginatawag na di ata mag-start na makahimong tawag method. So, na two types of method. The result of kanang sa function like the void and the return type. So, the void keyword specifies that should not have a return value. So, ang void is kanang di na siya mag-return og value, diretso na. And ang return type is kailangan pa niya mag-return og value of the data. Mao na siya ang tawag na return type. Every function na i-declare or definition must specify na mag-return siya og value, whether or not it actually returns a value. So, maghimo ta og example. So, nanatay class sa method. So, ang himuon ko na method is age. Age in days, ibalik na convert na to ang iyang edad sa pila niya ka tuig diri sa kalibutan. So, kung una na 'tong gamiton sa method is ang return ay void sa ta, void. So, una is mag-initialize ta og age. Then, lagyan mo na ta og function diretso. So, ang isulod nato diha is ang i-initial nato na age na variable. So, natin suggested diri na nakabutang is maghimo ng method which is ang kaning function. Dito nato nanatay method. Nakahimo na tawag method. So, pag human nato is i-initialize na sabta. Age is age times status siya 1 year. So, ang 1 year is 365 days. So, ano lang. Ano lang ang paggamit sa atong void. So, ang atong input na edad is age is 20. So, kung ato ng ilan, age in days is 7,300 sa kanta is off. And age in days of 20 is 7,300 days. Yan, days. Yan. Age in days of 20 years old or 20 is 7,300 days. Yung ano lang, sa void na type. Then, dili na sa return. Try taog, return type method. So, return is mura Japon ta. Mag-age Japon ta. Convert. Initial taog age. Yes. Then, delete. In days. Na. Then, isagot natin C, H. Ano lang. Nakaya mo na taog function. So, taog. Eh, type 2. Age in days. Copy na lang natin itong sa yan. Ano lang. Hmm. So, yung muna taog method sa baba. Lagay mo naman tag method, dito sa method body mag-process. So, ano lang, i-return lang na to. Return age in days. I know. Like age. Ano lang. Kailan na to. Age in days of 20 is 7,300 days. So, yung ana lang pod sa return. So, murag mura sila pinakasayon sa ilang duwa. Asa mo mas prefer kung return ba or void. So, mga lang po to. Thank you po.
Hello everyone, I am Dave Lamosta and today we're gonna be learning about void and return type methods. So what are void methods? Void methods can be called directly and shouldn't have a return value. Right? So let's make an example right away. Say public static void let's say hi. Right, this method will say hi. Right, and then let's try to call that using by declaring, by calling the name of the void method right away. So just like that, we can call the say hi method, the void method, that easily. Let's try right hi. Now let's try to make a return type, public return type method. Public static string. For return type, we won't use void because that's a void type. So string, say hi. Right, we'll print out the same output, but for this one, we will be returning a string. So this is what we should do. Right. So I renamed say hi because we already have a say hi method right here. So for the void method, just do it like this: public static void and then the name of the method. Then inside the method is what you should want. It doesn't return a value, so you should manually system that out, the print an output that you want. And then for the return type method, you shouldn't manually do it like this. You should return a value. So what kind of value is that? Based on what you have put here, we can also do a string return type method. I mean an int return type method. Static int, let's say my age. So this will return an age value, int value I mean. So an int value. So return my age is 20. Right. So that's basically it. Let's try running it. We can't run uh, we can't run let's try running them. Right, you can't run return type methods like how you call the void type methods, because in return type methods you must do it like this. You must store it in a variable that the same variable, the same data type that your return type method has. So for this instance, we have a string, so we'll be creating a string. Let's say variable is equal to say hi to, and then we'll be printing out variable. And so that's how you call a return type method. So it has so much to type. Let's see. As hi. So how about to say hi to the distinguished, right? So we run the void type method and then the return type method. So another thing is you can also you can immediately print out the return type methods just like this. So let's say this one, my age. So just like that. Let's try running it. So we have here the void method, the first string return type method, and the second int return type method. Right, so that's basically it. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Good day. I'm Cyrene Ganloy from BSIT 1H. So karon nagbatag video about method. So i-discuss nato ang duha ka types of method, ang void method ug ang return type method. So what is return type method? A return type is specify the type of data that a method will return. So return types indicating what kind of data they will return when they are called. So while ang void method, indicate that the method does not return any value. Kumbaga, wala siya i-return ang void method. A void method, on the other hand, is a method that doesn't return any value. So, ang return type, na siya i-return, while ang void, wala. So, matatag net beans. So, nakakreate na ko class dere, name method. So, the difference between return and void method. So, ato na dere kay return type. So, makonta dere og int sum equals add nga variable or init kind or setting. Dere siya. Then 10, then 40, then semicolon, then mag-prompt SUT, no, at matandali kay the sum of two numbers, then plus ato ang sum. So sum. So sum na again nakatag public static. So mag-int ta diri kay nag-int ta dito nag-int ta diri. Kung double po diri siya. Tapos double. Kung double diri, dapat diri pod kay double. So nag-int nun ta, int na lang diri. Int. So add int Cyrene, then kung pila dapat with the same parameter lang sa pagduha ni. So duha pod. So int natin butang int A, then int B. Dapat same parameter lang sila. Okay. So mag return A plus B. So, i-run na to na siya. Kasama ko to numbers 50. Kay, kumbaga, ang return niya kumbaga, i-add ang two numbers. A plus B. So, dito na punta sa void method. Diba anak ko ganina nga, ang return type na siya i-return mo na siya ang A plus B variable. So, dito na ta sa B plus sa kuan void method. So, ato na i-assume lang kani. So, ano say hi. Then my name say name na so lang string na sa string. Then dili na to siya So, hi. Hi. Ang tag-void di ay void. Void hi. 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 Then, atay butang diri. String name. String name man ta. So, atay butang diri string name. Dili siya pwede i-encrypt because naka-string ta daha. So, atay mag-prompt lang ta. Mag-prompt is duty. So, hi or my name is then plus then name. So, ilan natin na siya. My name is set because di ba ang words wala siya editor, no? Wala tayo editor yung type diha. Wala lang siya wala tong word. Ang word dadahan ang variable is indicated methods and not return any value. So, wala siya gi-return nga value. Kumbaga, gitawag na niya ang name. Sa gi-print niya ang hi, say, may say. Ano na siya. Ano na siya ang different between method, ay return type method and the void method. Ano lang, daghang salamat.